Hello beautiful people, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager on our WordPress website and how many type of event on Google Analytics 4. And in this tutorial I will talk about this. So let's get started. So I search on Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to tagmanager.google.com and we can create a new account on there and create a new account. Like we focused on enhanced e-commerce tracking. So e-commerce, Ga4 and GTM. We can create look like this and we can select our country on there. Now I'm selecting United States and we can share Google data, and here is digital analysis web. We can create server side or website or AMP. Now right now I'm creating a web property on there. I accept this all terms and conditions, GDPR rules, then yes. So now we are successfully created a container on Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to connect this container on our WordPress website. We don't want any code and we don't use this type of code on our theme head file. So right now I'm going to use a plugin. Because of this plugin not use only for this Google Tag Manager connection, we will enable data layer from this plugin. So now I'm going to add a new plugin and I type GTM4 WP and we are use this plugin Thomas Jaeger. I'm going to install this plugin and it's installed successfully done. I'm going to the activate. Now we can enter our GTM ID on there. Also we can go to the setting and Google Tag Manager and we can put our GTM ID on here and make sure this container code on off and we are on, then save button, and successfully we are connected on there. Now I'm going to visit our site and we are enable Google Tag Manager legacy extension. I refresh this. So we are successfully connect Google Tag Manager on our website. Now we are going to connect Google Analytics 4 account on there. I'm going to search Google Analytics 4 and analytics.google.com/web and we can create a new account. Then we can create a property. Then we can create a container stream. Now create an account. E-commerce Ga4 GTM. Yes, Google product. Next, our property name is. So now I type digital analysis e-commerce and our country is United States. So I select US dollar on there. I'm going to show property. We don't want universal analytics, so hide this and next. Then we can share our business information on there. Our website is shopping related and our business size, and we can measure some data from here and create our container. I accept, scroll down and again accept, then accept. So we are successfully created an account on Google Analytics 4. Now we can create a stream on there and we are creating a web stream. Now we are adding our website URL on here and Google Analytics 4 mind HTTPS. I remove this and here is we are using e-commerce Ga4 GTM digital analysis. So digital analysis, I enable this and create a stream. So we are successfully create a stream and now we are going to the connect. We need only measurement ID. I copy this. I'm going to the tag manager. I create a new tag. Tag configuration is in Google Analytics 4 configuration. I put this measurement ID and right now I put this type of, and we can make a variable like this cause of we will use more time this measurement ID. That's why I create a variable, custom variable Ga4 base code variable type. We can select constant. These are constant variable. I put this and save it. So we are successfully using Google base code on here and triggering all the page. We are tracking all the page because of this code only working all page view. Now I save Google Analytics 4 GA4 configuration tag. I save it. So we have successfully put Google Analytics base code on Google Tag Manager. I'm going to the website and refresh this. Again, refresh. And we'll see our Google Analytics. Oh, sorry, one more thing. We did not submit our tag on there. GA4 base tag. So we have successfully submitted our version on there. Now I'm going to the refresh this website and we will see our Google Analytics successfully connected our website. So our Google Analytics 4 are successfully connected. You can see these are code for Google Analytics 4. So right now we are successfully connected Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager on our website. So now next thing is right now when we go to the property on Google Analytics, I'm go to the reports and real-time data. So yeah, successfully real-time data is connected and which page work right now. I'm going to the shop page. These are shop page and here is our wall product on there. So we can see right now we are on the shop page and these are our product and expert. You can see these are the title on their product Google Analytics 4. These are working successfully. So next we are talking about Google Analytics 4 event. So what is Google Analytics 4 event? So Google Analytics 4 event is our website user interactivity, our activity, our web page element embedded website or mobile app. For example, and which button our website user click, which button and which page are they viewing, which page how many percentage scroll our website user, we can track everything, and which form submitted, how many times submitted, and we can see video like this, web element, video, image, which image clicked, which button clicked, which form submit, how many times scroll bar, external link, which link clicked and go to the another, how many minutes view our video. So Google Analytics 4 have 4 type of events. One, automatically collected events, enhanced measurement event, recommended event, and custom event. So what is actually automatically event? Automatically event is already set up our website. First visit, session start, user engagement, page view. And enhanced measurement event. What is an enhanced measurement event? So enhanced measurement event is a page view, scroll, outbound link, site search, video engagement, file download. And I will show you every event step by step. No worry about that. Third, recommended event. So recommended event is supplied by Google and same event name and parameter I will show you. For generic, retail, e-commerce, job, education, real estate, for travel, games, and I add link like this. And Google recommended some event on there. These are event, add impression, join group, login, purchase, refund, search, select content, share, sign up, and they are actually recommended event. And so finally, which are the custom event? I'm going to show you custom event. So custom event like our website add to cart button. So we can track everything, our website scroll and page view, which page view and scroll. So when anyone click this button, how can I track? These are actually custom event. So which product view, this product view as a page view, but how many people click add to cart button and view cart button, these are actually custom event. We will track manually from data layer, and I will show you step by step. So these are complete tutorial about Google Analytics 4 event. So hope this video is helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe and like this video, and see you the next video. Bye bye.